Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel where you will enjoy watching me making beautiful and different DIYs for home decoration. If you are new here, consider joining my channel by clicking that subscribe button below and remember the notification bell. You will notify when I upload a new video. In today's video, I am part of another month for What Would You Make collaboration, hosted by Sarah from Okea Home DIY and Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. The guest host for this month is Eri from DIY from House to Home. I have all the channels linked in my description box below with this collaboration playlist. So don't forget to check out all these channels where you see everyone in this group making wonderful and different DIY for decoration using woods. Let's jump into my DIY and show you how I made this mail holder using this paint stick that I got from Lowe's. For this project I need 4 long sticks and 10 small sticks. So for all of them, I'm gonna stain them with my antique wax using baby wipe. So also the tumbling blocks that I got from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna stain them too. And right away I'm gluing each 2 tumbling blocks with my wood glue and hot glue. I want to create 2 boxes or 2 crates to hold my mail. So this is the back of one of the box. Create evenly spaced out 3 small paint sticks, and I'm gluing 2 tumbling blocks or 4 tumbling blocks in each side. I'm doing now the base of this box. I'm gluing 12 blocks of 12 tumbling blocks. Now the front of this box I need for the shorter sticks. I'm attaching them with this popsicle sticks in the back to glue them all together, and applying Mod Podge, good coat of Mod Podge on the top with this napkin. Cover it with this napkin. This is my favorite napkin. I love this napkin. So I'm putting down my napkin with this plastic to smoothen it to avoid those bubbles. And now sanding out with this sandbox to take off the excess all around. Glue it with my wood glue. And this is the first box. Voila. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the second box or second crate, whatever you call it. Got 3 sticks in the back. Create evenly space out of 3 small sticks. Oh, I forgot here to add this napkin all around in the bottom. Cover it with this cute napkin. And a Mod Podge on the top to seal it. Sorry, my camera, I didn't capture all full angle. So I made 2 boxes. I have this welcome sign. I want to glue it on the top to add more dimension, more beauty to this sign. I'm adding this lace ribbon that I got directly on the top of the first box. Now I'm using it to put it evenly with the other box on the top. Glue it there. Voila, with my wood glue and hot glue. As you see, I have this ribbon for the 2 boxes. Okay, I'm holding it to make sure it's gonna stick there. And with this welcome sign, paint it with white chalk paint first. Then I'm gonna add my napkin on the top with Mod Podge first to glue it there. Sorry again, camera didn't capture all the full angle. This wire as this napkin with this plastic to just smooth it, make it flat, cut it in all the excess, and the magic happened with this lighter. This is easy and it's fast to take off all the excess all around. Now send it out to make it neat. Look at that. I have these tiny beads to glue it in the back of this welcome sign to give more dimension or more 3D look to this sign. Glue them and voila. Take off these gloves. I have this home sign from Dollar Tree. Take off a piece, the front piece. I'm gonna stain it with my antique wax first, and then I cover it back with this white, any white paper or any white cardboard or whatever. I have this one. It's from stickers paper. So I glue the white paper in the back. Now I'm gonna put it on the first box on the top. I'm gluing it in the front of the first box on the top. Then I have this 3D butterfly that I got from Dollar Tree. I think it's cute to add them there. So I'm gonna put it on the top of this house. Home sweet home. So beautiful. Na na. And the back of this home, sweet home that I got from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna stain it. I'm gonna add it on the second box. As you see now, I'm gonna glue it there. I'm adding the 3D sticker that I got from Dollar Tree in the middle. It says family. So my sign or this mail holder, it says welcome, home sweet home, and the family in the bottom. I'm adding a coat of Mod Podge on top of the welcome sign to glue this glitter. I like it. I like this glitter. It's gonna give a shiny look to my sign. So let's see how it looks now. I think it's cute wall decor or farmhouse decor or mail holder, whatever you call it. So let me know in the comment below what do you think about this project. Thank you so much for watching my video, for spending your time with me. I hope you like it, and don't forget to check out all the playlists in the description box below. Bye and see you soon.